Craving something fruity, soft, and bursting with juicy peach flavor, but don't feel like baking a whole cake? This Peaches Mug Cake is your perfect fix. It's sweet, moist, and ready in just about a minute. Let's make it together. First, take about 3 tablespoons of canned peaches and chop them into small pieces. Keep it aside. In a large microwave-safe mug, add 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. That's our soft base. Next, add 2 tablespoons of sugar, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and just a pinch of salt. Mix everything well so there are no lumps and your baking powder is evenly distributed. This helps the cake rise evenly. Take 1 tablespoon of your dry mix and add it into the chopped peaches. Stir it together. This helps them stay juicy and not sink to the bottom of your mug. Now pour in 3 tablespoons of milk, 1 tablespoon of applesauce or yogurt, 1 tablespoon of neutral oil, a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and prepared peach mixture 2 tablespoons. Stir gently. Make sure everything's evenly mixed. A smooth, peach-speckled batter gives you the perfect soft and fluffy mug cake. Pop the mug into the microwave and cook for about 70 to 90 seconds. Let's prepare buttercream frosting. In a small bowl, add 1 teaspoon of softened butter, 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar, a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla essence, and 1 teaspoon of milk. Mix until creamy and smooth. Now divide the frosting into 3 bowls and tint each one with a tiny drop of gel food color. I used orange, yellow, and green for a fun, fruity vibe. Drop small spoons of each colored frosting over your cooled mug cake and swirl gently with a fork to create a pretty marble pattern. Finish with a red cherry on top, and there you have it. A beautiful peachy treat that looks like it came straight from a bakery. Soft, juicy, and full of sunshine. This Peaches Mug Cake is the perfect quick dessert when you want something fresh and fruity. Don't forget to drizzle a little peach syrup on top for that extra burst of flavor.